And this video is a little bit of a throwback to when we tackled the Canning Stock route in June, July last year. So stay tuned and I'll show you a little bit about what we got up to. This is where we are stuck for about a week.
God, you look so pretty when you tell me that you love me. I wish that I could lie, but my mind gets in the way.
Alrighty, a video of our tent set up and how it all works. Firstly, we have a ladder strapped to the back, which we climb up. Who am I talking to? Talking to the camera, doing a video of our home. And luckily, new bar on the back, because the other one broke. So we have one ladder to climb up, then another ladder to further climb up. And then, when you're climbing up, get this incredible view of Lake Ballard. But what we have to do is then unzip all the way down here, down there, and then unzip all the way here. And I've actually got to climb up a little bit more to reach this top zip, and it helps if you straddle the ladder. So then this is our abode, our home on wheels. Nice and cozy, never cold, that's for sure so far. Can get a little bit dense inside, but it works really well. And then, yeah, you wake up to this amazing view. After Lake Ballard, we spent the first night of what I would say on the Canning Stock route at North Pool, which is 1A. Before Canning made those lines of wells, it was all family groups, tribes and language groups that were related. Nowadays, we are all living in different places. Everybody moved, separated to different parts of Western the Desert, to different towns. We all one mob, all one people. Canning Stock route is another history. It's a European's version. But now we are talking about its how. Daily lives were all connected back through song and dance and dreaming and the desert.
So if you were drawing a map of this area, what would you put on the map as a feature? Rocks.
Now at this point I just want to explain a little bit about why Scott and Lorraine happened to be travelling with us. That's because when we'd started our journey just shy of Peterborough, Scotty blew up his engine on his Hilux. So rather than abandon our trip totally, we shoved as much of their gear in the truck, put our gear on a bit of a diet, left a lot of stuff back at Port Augusta while he got a new engine on the car. And we continued our journey on the Canning Stock route, so none of us could miss out.
From Sydney's harbour to the Outback's expanse, the Great Barrier Reef's colours in a vibrant dance. Uluru red glow beneath the desert sky, in the bushland silence where the wild kangaroos lie.
Opening up into sand dunes.
After well 10.
Sunburned country to the ocean's tide, from Melbourne's art to the coral sea's embrace. You're a land of marvels, a captivating place. Australia, where the coast and the wild converge, landscapes and rhythms in harmony surge, from the Tasman Sea to the ancient dreamtime tales. Harbour Bridge, where the bright waves shine. Voices laugh with a toast of wine. Desert trails with the red dust glow. Freedom flows where the wild winds go.
Still part of this same one. No, same crest.
After spending a night at well 12 with a visit from a feral cat, we ventured to well 15 where we spent another night and caught up on some much needed washing as the water clarity here was pretty good. So we were also joined by another tour group because it's such a popular little spot to stop. Well 15's not without any dramas from its history, with a couple of sad stories of murders taking place here. After we completed this section of the track, I picked up something that resembled a bit of a car part, and we believe it was probably a bit of a bush from us. Little did we know of the dramas that were to come. As you travel between each of the wells, you also travel between 5 main language groups within the wider Matu community. So it's also interesting to understand the Aboriginal history and not just the canning stock route as it was intended by European settlers. Driving between wells 15 to Durba Springs, the landscape itself was quite stunning and changed dramatically from small sand dunes to stunning escarpments with rocky outcrops. So this is where we are stuck for about a week. Not bad. Teamwork. Doesn't happen often.
It's not about working hard, it's about working smarter.
Look at this. We had always planned to spend 2 nights here, catching up on some washing and just taking in the ambience of this place. It really is something to witness. But beknownst to us, when we were exiting and heading towards well 18, we punctured our back left tyre. And upon inspecting this, Donald also noticed that not only had we broken one rear spring, we'd also broken the other rear spring. So massive dramas after 2+ hours on the phone to Club 4x4. We had organised what we would class as a recovery, which really entailed a fabulous guy by the name of Outback Tilt and Tray coming out, bringing the springs to us after contacting all-terrain warriors, and he repaired us and recovered us to finally hit the road again. But Durba Springs will forever hold memories after we had 8 days of, forced downtime. What a place to be.
Feeling good, every day and every night. Life is a journey full of spices, gotta savor every slice. I have surprise around the corner, I can't predict, I can't pretend.
After Andy managed to recover us, we then made a decision with some inside knowledge to exit the canning stock route because we had sort of run out of supplies and we were on a little bit of a timeline. So we found a alternate route that exited us onto the Talawana track, and that made sure that we would find some civilization just in case something else didn't go to plan. But the canning stock route, we shall return.
Just hug them, make them yours. Enter directly, open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now, we are alive, let's take it.
Look at him, holy moly. After exiting the canning stock route along the Talawana track, it was quite a very long day. We ended up spending the night at a quirky little town called Nullagine before making our way through Marble Bar and on to Broome, where we spent an amazing couple of nights in a resort enjoying a really comfy bed. Is the canning stock route hard? No, it's not, but it is 1,800 kilometres and you need to be prepared in all sorts of ways.
Enjoy all moments every day and every night. There may not be a tomorrow, therefore enjoy today in the present moment. Neon rivers paint the rainy slick street below. Sirens hum a midnight melody. My heels click rhythm on the pavement's beat. Warm breeze carries jasmine through the summer heat. Every heartbeat syncs with city's pulse tonight. Unscripted moments flicker